What's up guys, your main man Pete here, and today we're talking business, baby. So recently I worked with a company called Turbo Website Traffic, a business website that actually sells the highest quality web traffic, and I did not believe it until I actually purchased their services. So now me personally, I'm an entrepreneur, a businessman. I travel the globe working with clients, and one of the most important parts of my business is reaching out, getting people to see my services ultimately so I can make more sales. So I tested their services on my smaller website just to see if their services would actually work. And it did. They actually drove high quality web traffic directly to my website, and I tracked all the analytics along the way. I made sure to see the statistics. I wanted to make sure that these were actual people. I wanted to make sure that it was actual traffic. And it was. I couldn't believe it. I'm making more money than ever. My business is skyrocketing. Seriously, guys, if you're looking to expand your business ultimately, you need high quality web traffic. And sometimes it's hard to reach out and get it. So when it comes to business ultimately, websites and making sales, promotions are everything. And it really comes down to that little extra push these days, in that there's so many businesses out there, so many websites, and ultimately online, so much noise. It's really truly hard to get discovered. But with Turbo Website Traffic, they enable high quality, optimum website traffic, high quality analytics and statistics to assure your website skyrockets up the Google ranks. And then from there, you're going to continue getting views, you're going to continue getting clients. They got the ball rolling, and that's what it all comes down to. They enable you to ultimately begin your business. It's fantastic, a must-have for any new startup company or business. So go check it out. The link below, Turbo Website Traffic. Get your foot in the door, get the ball rolling, let's make sales. Now, Turbo Website Traffic was one of the many websites I was actually looking at prior to making my final decision in choosing Turbo Website Traffic. I decided on them because of how they approach traffic. It is legit. In fact, I just wanted to read to you a few ways of which they acquire the highest quality traffic for you. Check this out. Visitors will come from search engines, directories, solo ads, safe lists, banner ads, text ads, pop-ups, expired domains, PTC sites, and traffic exchanges. They guarantee delivery, and the crazy part is, after doing a bit of research regarding the other websites, most of them are just programs that give you fake views, which ultimately don't go anywhere. They're not going to boost you up the rankings. They're not going to make you sales. They're not real clients. You want to work with a company that offers real, legitimate traffic. And Turbo Website Traffic has been statistically proven to do the trick. Look no further. It worked for me, and I know it's going to work for you.